All right, here we have our Golen Engine 416 LY6 engine. This engine will make between 550 and 640 horsepower. So we have a few different levels of cams, a few different levels of porting that will get you, from, those two ranges of power. The 550 horse engine, still very potent, but it definitely has a smoother idle, more focused on, street driving. Whereas like the 600, or if we go all the way to the 640, those cams are larger, are going to be a little more radical. That 640 horse engine, we're running the BTR Trinity intake, and we'll rev that right to 7,000 RPMs, which, sounds amazing and really, really performs well. From there, if you have a Camaro or Corvette that came from the factory with an LS-based engine, that's the idea of this. We're setting these up to be a simple direct fit for those particular cars. So we're going to have, the appropriate oil pan, harmonic balancer, intake. So this will drop right in. You'll be able to bolt your transmission right up to it, your motor mounts, your headers, and most importantly, all your front accessories. So alternator, power steering, air conditioning, everything will bolt right on for a nice, easy install, which you should be able to do in 1 weekend's time without any issues. You're actually going to be able to drop your wiring harness, plug in all the sensors, use your factory ECU. Obviously, you will need that to be tuned to match the performance of the engine, but that's the idea behind this particular engine series, is to be that simple direct fit. From there, we are have a nice lineup of components in this engine. So this engine comes with Callies forged steel crank, Callies H-beam rods, comes with a Mahle Motorsports forged piston, all BTR Valvetrain, and then it features our Golen Engine LS3 CNC-Ported heads. We'll actually 5-axis CNC port these in house, which they flow amazing air. Then we'll have a stainless steel rev valve set, BTR valve springs with a titanium retainer. So overall, just a nice lineup of quality components, something that we can trust when we get into testing these. Each engine comes dyno tested. So we're actually going to run this engine for a few hours. We'll change the oil twice. We'll cut and inspect 2 filters, make sure everything's happy and healthy inside there. And then from there, we're going to do sweep testing. So we're going to be measuring for performance to make sure the engine is performing properly before we ship it to you. We'll actually do a short, video, so put on YouTube of your actual engine running with your name on it. You'll also get a dynograph as well. We'll post all that up on YouTube, so email it over to you so you have that for your records. If you're local, you're welcome to come here in person, see it run, and take it home the same day. From there, we're building this engine, and we're selling it to you outright, so there's no core charge, there's no sales tax. It comes with full tech support to help you with the install, and it also comes with a 1-year warranty. If you have any custom requests, different intake, different valve covers, we can totally help with that. We do custom build each one of these engines from scratch. Usually take about 2 months to get. So you'll place an order, leave a 50% deposit, and roughly 2 months down the road, we'll have it all ready for you. From there, if you have any questions, feel free to email me or call me direct, and I'd be happy to help you.